Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on smart sidebar setting and how to use it. Smart sidebar on Realme phone device. Friends, you want to on smart sidebar setting, so then how to on a new smart sidebar on Realme phone. Today friends I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, a very smart sidebar setting. So friends, you can find your smart sidebar on your tool setting. Friends, navigation setting is here. Friends, you want to on your three button navigation, you want to on your swipe gesture, so you can enable from here. Friends, you want to enable your three finger screenshot, touch and hold with three finger to take a screenshot, so you can enable from here this setting. Then screen recording you can enable from here. Smart sidebar is here. Friends, we'll click on smart sidebar. First guys, we will on smart sidebar from right side. After on smart sidebar, friends, you can see right side this icon. Also not icon with this line. Then tap here, swipe guys as like that. You can take a screenshot. You can on YouTube. You can on your phone setting. You can start guys screen recording. Friends, first we will take a screenshot. So friends, you can take a screenshot with shortcut setting. Direct friends, you want to on YouTube. Friends, you can on YouTube app. Friends, you can on your phone setting, and friends you can add icon here or more apps. Friends, you want to add, click here, and friends you can add. Example guys, I will add file, keep notes, Play Store, and friends you can remove this app also. Like you don't want to use YouTube, so you can remove from here. So guys, I will on this UCut app, and it's done. So friends, you can see this line guys. When I will swipe you, I can take a screenshot. I can on guys my phone setting screen loading. Friends, you want to start, you can start your screen recording. Friends, you can on your Play Store. Friends, one more app guys you can use like that, this file. So guys, we can use this Play Store app with file guys, you can use like that. So like that we can on and use smart sidebar. And friends, you don't want to use, so friends direct search as smart setting, smart sidebar, click here, and you can off from here. After all guys, you cannot use the shortcut setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to own and use a smart sidebar on Realme phone device. So bye bye guys. Friends, do you have any doubt friends, you can ask me comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.